This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying what you can use: device model, Android version, and whether ADB is available. If you have a PC, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This lets you run ADB commands to stop kiosk mode quickly. If you can't enable debugging, make sure you know the Google account or MDM credentials tied to the device. These are backup ways to remove restrictions. Once you've gathered that info, connect via USB and confirm ADB. Can see the device before moving on. You now act. With ADB connected, list installed packages and identify the Kiosk app so you can uninstall it for user 0. That removes the lock without a PIN. If the app is device owner, use DPM commands to remove the active admin or unbind the device owner. This is why knowing the owner app matters. If ADB isn't available, sign in to the managing Google or MDM account and revoke the Kiosk profile or uninstall remotely. Make sure to reboot after each change to clear the lock. Finish by rebooting and confirming the standard launcher returns in Settings apps. If the Kiosk app persists, repeat the uninstall or DPM removal. If the device is managed by MDM and you lack admin access, contact that admin to unenroll. Otherwise, a factory reset may be necessary, but note this erases data. If commands failed, make sure USB debugging truly enabled, ADB drivers are installed, and package names are exact. You can also boot to safe mode to temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.